Hello and welcome to today's lesson on gravitational potential energy. Today we will start by understanding the concept of gravitational potential energy and how it is stored in objects when they are lifted above the ground. We will then look at real-world examples of gravitational potential energy. So far, we have explored various forms of energy and their transformations. We have understood kinetic energy and how energy can change from one form to another during different processes. Building on this foundation, we can now introduce the concept of gravitational potential energy. This lesson will deepen our understanding of energy and its transformations by exploring the hidden energy present in objects positioned at a height, ready to be converted into kinetic energy. Gravitational potential energy is like a hidden energy that objects have when they're lifted up. For example, imagine holding a ball above your head. Even though the ball isn't moving, it still possesses energy because it's elevated above the ground. The higher you lift the ball, the more gravitational potential energy it has. It's called potential energy because at present, nothing is actually happening, but the energy is there, poised and ready to be converted into action. Let's consider our ball again. Right now, you're just holding it up high. The ball is stationary, but the energy is stored within it. When you finally let the ball go, it starts to fall down. So, where did the energy come from to make the ball move? It originated from the gravitational potential energy that was stored when you lifted it above your head, which was then transformed to kinetic energy. The amount of gravitational potential energy an object has depends on its height above the ground, the mass of the object, and the strength of gravity. We will explore how to quantify gravitational potential energy in the next lesson. Now let's look at some real-life examples starting with mountains and hills. Rocks perched high up on a mountain have significant gravitational potential energy. If a rock tumbles down, this energy is transformed into kinetic energy. Roller coasters are another example. At the top of a roller coaster, the cars have maximum gravitational potential energy. As they descend, this energy converts into kinetic energy, speeding the cars along the track. Water in a dam is another example. The water stored in a high dam holds gravitational potential energy. When it's released, this energy is converted into kinetic energy to turn turbines and generate electricity. In today's lesson, we explored the concept of gravitational potential energy, learning how it is stored in objects when they are lifted above the ground. We discussed how this energy is poised and ready to be converted into kinetic energy when the object is released. By examining real-world examples like rocks on mountains, roller coasters, and water in dams, we saw how gravitational potential energy plays a crucial role in various natural and engineered processes. Remember, the higher an object is lifted, and the larger it is, the more gravitational potential energy it will have. This foundational knowledge will be important as we delve deeper into energy concepts in future lessons.